Hello everyone, this is Swati Nikam, Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities and Sciences, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. I welcome you all in the session of Expansion of Functions, Part 5. At the end of this session, student can be able to solve examples of limits by using indeterminate forms. Before we proceed further and start our video, friends, please pause your video for a while and solve this simple limit. Limit x tends to 0, x into log x. So I think you have done with it. Solution is, we know that when we put the value of x equal to 0 in x log x, it is in the form of 0 into minus infinity. Now, in order to adjust it into the standard indeterminate form, let us make the arrangement and write down this x in denominator as 1 by x. So that the form is now limit x tends to 0 log x divided by 1 by x. After putting x equal to 0, we will get minus infinity upon infinity form. So, for this form, we can apply L'Hopital's rule now. The rule says that you can have derivative of numerator upon derivative of denominator. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 upon x square. So, rearranging the term, it will take the form limit x tends to 0 bracket minus x square upon x. Shifting this x square into numerator, we have this form. So, x square by x is simply x and x equal to 0, therefore answer is 0. Let us see few more forms which are exponential form 0 raised to 0, infinity raised to 0 and 1 raised to infinity. All these are indeterminate. The original function will have the form y is equal to u raised to v, where u and v are functions of x. The basic adjustment that we make is y is equal to e raised to log of u raised to v, which simplifies to y is equal to e raised to v log u. So that we will solve the example by using form 0 into infinity, which we have studied in earlier video. Now, let us see again form 0 into infinity. We will suppose that, now let us revise the forms 0 into infinity. We'll suppose that limit x tends to infinity f of x is 0 and limit x tends to infinity g of x is infinity. Then we'll have that limit x tends to infinity f of x into g of x is equal to limit x tends to infinity f of x into limit x tends to infinity g of x is equal to 0 into infinity. To solve this type of indeterminate form, we will do a simple step, which is limit x tends to infinity f of x into g of x is equal to limit x tends to infinity 1 upon 1 by f of x into g of x, or limit x, which is equal to limit x tends to infinity g of x divided by 1 upon f of x, which is equal to, it can be plus or minus infinity divided by plus or minus infinity. And we will solve the limit. Now, let us solve one example. Solve limit x tends to 0 x raised to sin x. In solution, if we put x equal to 0 here, so it will be 0 raised to sin 0 is 0, 0 raised to 0 indeterminate form. So, according to the adjustment, we will adjust it as limit x tends to 0 e to the power log of x raised to sin x. That is equal to limit x tends to 0 e raised to. Now, applying laws of logarithm, this sign can be written in this coefficient form, monkey rule. So, it will jump over here sin x into log x. That is equal to, we can interchange the limit and exponential position. Just pass the limit into exponent, it can be permitted. So, e raised to limit x tends to 0 sin x into log x. Now let us see this index limit separately. Limit x tends to 0, sin x into log x. This is an indeterminate form, 0 into minus infinity. Put value of x to be 0, sin 0 is 0 and log 0 is minus infinity. Rewrite it as, in order to solve it or get it in the standard form, we will rewrite it as limit numerator log x, and in denominator sin x can be written as 1 by sin x, which is again equal to limit x tends to 0 log x upon cosec x. Now, if you check by putting x equal to 0, it is minus infinity by infinity form. So, L'Hopital's rule is applicable now, which is equal to limit x tends to 0, derivative of log x is 1 by x, and derivative of denominator cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. Again, that is equal to limit x tends to 0, 1 by x divided by minus times. For cosec x, it is 1 upon sin x. For cot x, it is 1 upon tan x. Now, writing the two terms into numerator, we will have it as limit x tends to 0 minus times sin x into tan x whole divided by x, which is in 0 by 0 form. That is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus of, again applying L'Hopital's rule because it is 0 by 0 indeterminate form. So, derivative of numerator, we have to apply u into v rule. Sin x derivative is cos x, tan x as it is, plus now derivative of tan x is sec square x and sin x as it is, whole divided by derivative of x is 1. Limit x tends to 0 sin x into log x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus of cos x into tan x plus sin x into sec square x whole divided by 1. So, that is equal to 0 plus 0, which is again 0. But remember, this is not the value you want. You want the limit of this term. We have evaluated the limit of power term only. So, limit x tends to 0, x into sin x is equal to e to the power limit x tends to 0 sin x into log x, that is we have already evaluated it, e raised to 0, which is 1. Let us solve example number 2. Limit x tends to 0 bracket e raised to 3x plus e raised to 5x whole divided by 2 bracket raised to 1 by x. If we put x equal to 0, then we will obtain 1 raised to 1 upon 0, that is 1 upon infinity form. Now, let us suppose that L is equal to limit x tends to 0 bracket term e raised to 3x plus e raised to 5x whole divided by 2 bracket raised to 1 by x. Therefore, log L is equal to, taking log on both sides, limit x tends to 0 log of whole bracket term. Again applying the laws of logarithm, this 1 by x will jump as a coefficient and it will be in the form is equal to limit x tends to 0 1 by x into log of bracket e raised to 3x plus e raised to 5x whole divided by 2. That is equal to limit x tends to 0 numerator log of e raised to 3x plus e raised to 5x minus 2 whole divided by x. Now, as it is the as we have used the rule log of a by b, which is log a minus log b. Now, applying again x equal to 0 in place of each x in numerator and denominator, it is in 0 by 0 indeterminate form. So, you can apply L'Hopital's rule here. By using the rule, it is equal to limit x tends to 0, derivative of numerator, derivative of log term is 1 upon bracket e raised to 3x plus e raised to 5x into, now composite rule, derivative of this bracket is 3 into e raised to 3x plus 5 into e raised to 5x minus derivative of log 2 is 0 as it is a constant divided by derivative of denominator is 1, which is equal to limit x tends to 0 3 into e raised to 3x plus 5 into e raised to 5x upon e raised to 3x plus e raised to 5x. Now putting value of x to be 0 everywhere in place of x, it is 1 divided by e raised to 0 plus e raised to 0 multiplied by bracket 3 into e raised to 0 plus 5 into e raised to 0. Therefore, log L is equal to 8 divided by 2, which is equal to 4. So, you want value of L, and that's why L is equal to taking exponential on both sides e raised to 4. I have applied a textbook Higher Engineering Mathematics by Dr. B.S. Grewal for creation of this video. Thank you so much for joining my video and have a happy learning.